Welcome back to Living with a Classic. Down here with the L322 Supercharged Range Rover. If you remember, replaced a ball joint a while back, but another one had to be replaced. It was the wrong one that they told me. Had a whole video on that. So now I'm replacing the other one, which is, my opinion, is not really a ball joint, but anyways, and you know what? This one actually wanted to come loose. Yes, I had to use a big sledgehammer, but still, I got one part off, so let me show you that. Then it's the other part of the arm, because it comes as a complete arm. Get that out of there and get this in place, and hopefully this time around it will pass its inspection. Coming in for a close-up here, you can see here I got this one loose, and that is a part of this whole arm up here. I've already loosened the height sensor from it, so just have that bolt there to undo, but that should be no issue. I mean, I have induction heaters and everything, so let me try and get that off. Then we have the complete new arm here can go in place. So that should be pretty straightforward, getting all that place. My guess is that you don't tighten that bolt until you have some weight on the suspension. So that's what I think that washer there looks like. So let me get that undone, put it in. We'll put some weight on the suspension, tighten everything up, and hopefully get this back together in just a few minutes. Got the old one out. That bolt actually came out really nicely. Everything looks really good here as well. So we got the new one over here. Gonna put that in place. And like I said, I don't think I should tighten that until there's weight on it so you don't tear the bush. So we'll do that, and then might put the car on the ground because I think I can still get to that bolt. Otherwise, I'll put a jack under here and just put some weight on it. But let me get this back into place, and then we should be really ready to go back on the road soon. All right, so we're on the road, on the way to the inspection. So hopefully everything goes well. Third time's a charm. I did drive the car yesterday out on the highway, and the thing is, the car has had a little bit of wobble for a while, just at higher highway speeds, like 70 miles an hour, 110, 120 kilometers an hour. And I put it down to these tires starting to wear. They're this is sort of the last season of them, and then we're gonna get new ones. But it must have been that ball joint, because vibration is completely gone. It was fantastic to drive at highway speeds again. So that's really, really nice. I'm gonna head over there, and once again, it's always difficult for me to film there, especially this place. It's not my favorite place to go, but it's the closest place that takes heavy cars like this. The other local place I usually go to, which is great, they can't take these heavy cars. So hopefully everything goes well, and this car will be good to go for another year on the road. Back home again, and guess what? Passed with no advisories. Good to go until the end of October 2024. So that's really good news for the old L322. I think we're coming up, 1st of December something. We're coming up on 3 years with this car. It's been my wife's daily the whole time, and I know she absolutely loves it. Feature it sometimes on the channel when things happen to it, but mostly it just does a lot of miles. It just went over to 320,000 kilometers, which is quite a lot for one of these. And so far, it doesn't really feel like. I mean, cosmetically, yes, some things, some scratches and things. It could use paint in a couple places, but overall, it's still a very, very nice old Range Rover. Anyways, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. It really does help out a lot. Till next time, I'm Adam. This was Living with a Classic. I'll see you soon.